What's up everyone, you're watching MJ's Tech Talk, the place where I talk tech, and today I'm coming at you with the all new edition of 2 Minute Tuesday, and I'm going to discuss what else? San Francisco Pride 2019, coming at you inside the Model X. San Francisco Pride 2019. Now. There's lots to talk about companies marketing to the LGBT community during Pride. Not only the Pride Parade, which I was happy to be a part of, but also Pride Month. There's like changings of the logos and all kinds of stuff that people have a strong opinion about either way. So I'm just gonna weigh in on my thought, basically share some of the clips and things that I saw during San Francisco Pride 2019. I think it's tech related because a lot of these companies being aimed at are tech companies. I'm gonna talk about which floats were super cool at San Francisco Pride 2019. I'm gonna talk about how I feel about corporate companies marketing during Pride Month and also at Pride, my impressions of San Francisco Pride 2019, and how tech companies play a hand in that. So it's kind of more of a vlog style 2 Minute Tuesday. First, I like to say that I don't think there's anything wrong with companies changing their logos to rainbows during Pride Month. I don't specifically feel like they're using it as a marketing strategy. I feel like, of course, the LGBT community is a community like any other, and they're a consumer group. I don't mind the fact that companies change their logos to rainbow in support. Some of the top CEOs in the world are members of the LGBT community, so I don't think it's necessarily a way to target the community in a bad way. I think that it's important that companies are open to diversity and inclusion. And I also think it's super cool that they're willing to put their money where their mouth is. It's not cheap to change your logo to rainbow. I mean, using apps like Uber during Pride Month, the whole track on your way to your location was a rainbow. So I think it's super awesome that companies are taking this time to support and celebrate and just be a part of the community, which they are. It's not like they're reaching out for a group that is not already a consumer. Everyone consumes products, so I wouldn't even go so far as to say they're specifically marketing towards a group. I think they're just enjoying Pride Month in the spirit that it is. Slap a rainbow on anything you want, I'm totally here for it. 2 minutes starting now. I'm gonna give you guys my top 5 moments from San Francisco Pride 2019. Number 1, Apple. Of course, in their truly crisp, minimalist style, they had all white shirts with the Apple logo trimmed in a rainbow. It was crisp, it was clean, it looked awesome. They had a huge group, and I don't know if you guys know, but their CEO, Tim Cook, is one of the most famous openly gay CEOs in the tech industry. So I think it's so awesome that they were there and they were showing pride in 2019. Number 2, Netflix. Netflix really went all out. They had actors from their original series, Orange is the New Black, live on the float. They also had it like a box that was pretty much showing off all of their Netflix original series. Like, Netflix really went ham on designing their float, and it looked great. 3, Reddit. I just like Reddit. I like the little character that is their logo. It was fun, it was whimsical. I got to see it up close and personal, so Reddit was my 3rd. 4, of course, I'm gonna have to say Tesla. Tesla was there. They had the Model 3, the Model X, and for the first time that I've seen, they had the semi-truck. So it was super awesome seeing a Tesla marching and being a part of such an awesome group. I'm definitely gonna have to say 4. I would have given them number 1, but I don't want to sound too impartial. My 5th moment of San Francisco Pride 2019 had to be seeing Disney. Disney was awesome. They were super whimsical. They had like Mickey Mouse shaped balloons. I mean, it was so colorful, it was so cool. They had a huge group, and it was a great showing of pride and support during Pride. I actually got to finish all of them in time. I even surprised myself. That's the beacon. So this week I was able to finish all 5 of my top moments from San Francisco Pride 2019. And I think San Francisco Pride definitely relates to tech because San Francisco is like the tech mecca. I mean, the Bay Area, like Silicon Valley, that when you think of that, you think of tech. So I was just super stoked to be able to experience it. Thanks so much for watching. If you're enjoying my content, make sure you click subscribe. And if you do choose to subscribe, make sure you click the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I post new content. Peace.